Hello, this is Mike Kilgore with Trident. I'm here today with Joe with Washley. I'd like to endorse Joe and his company as a master certified contractor for Trident products and all of your hardscape sealing needs. Now, Joe has dedicated time and resources to complete the training needed to become a Trident master certified contractor, including intro to sealing, intermediate training, step-by-step processes, attending a live hands-on training, and completing the advanced certification. Now, with all these classes, Joe will be your best choice for your product. Now, Joe, can you tell us why you decided to align your company with Trident?
We went with Trident because they took the time to actually teach us to properly do it the right way, and they stand behind us and really encourage us to do well in business.
I'll tell you, Joe's been killing it out there, doing great work, and his customers are definitely writing fantastic reviews. So if you're looking for a great contractor, Joe is going to give you the best customer experience. Make sure that you contact Joe today so he can make your hardscapes look the best it can be. Go Team Trident.
Trident, baby.